I'm Sniper and I'm out of energy too because I'm sick and I'm staying home. And hello everybody, we are gonna play for the second time in my life Reload Zero Build. And the first time I placed I-40. I placed the top 40. And when you're sick, don't forget to like and subscribe. When you're sick and you play Fortnite, there are only two cool options: reading official Fortnite books or playing Fortnite. And I'm gonna choose the first one for now because I already read all the Fortnite official books and I recommend the books. I bought them from Amazon. Now let's focus on the game. Zero build. In zero build you have 100 shield, 100 life, and plus 50 extra zero build shield. Today I really want to win this game, and don't forget to like and subscribe to make me happy, because how I said I'm a little bit sick. Don't forget to like and subscribe to make me happy, and let's make a victory royale. Oh, boogie down, you're saying? Okay, let's dance boogie down. I want boogie down. Yeah, bro. Let's be friends. Oh, okay. I like this guy. And don't forget to thank the bus driver, please, because he's always the best guy. Bro disconnected. Oh, he didn't disconnected. Sorry. He have level 71. It's not a noob or something. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to make me happy and to increase the chances of making a victory royale. There is a chest. Oh. Shield bubbles. Okay, baby. Okay, baby boy, baby girl, baby. I really like the shield bubbles. In zero build are probably the best weapons. Oh, the burst. No, I don't really want this now. Let's be full shield. We are not full. We need 50 more, but that's it. That's the life. Okay, I searched this ammo box. Now let's loot. Oh, I forgot that we are at zero build. When you're sick, because I'm sick, you're not thinking, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm sick and happy, very happy, but I still need your subscribe. Whew, okay, a sniper rifle. When Ulti and Sniper will get a sniper, we'll be happy. Like now, I find a rare chest with an epic pump shotgun. What do you want more than this? Epic pump shotgun. What do you want more? Epic shotgun. Epic pump shotgun. Not auto. Not lever shotgun. Epic pump shotgun. Bolt action rifle. Rare burst. Rare burst. What do you want more? Another rare chest. Okay. Bro, what is happening? How I said, not auto shotgun. Pump shotgun. If I find the third rare chest, I'm the luckiest guy in the world. If I find the other one other rare chest, I'm the luckiest guy in this match, in the world, in this match. If I find the third one. Okay, I forgot I can build. I'm the luckiest guy you've ever seen. Okay. Nah, bro. Nah. Okay, the storm is coming. All we have to do is to run. Simple dimple. Okay, the storm circle. I have to run. How fast as possible to get in the storm circle, please. The storm is after me. But I still want to loot a little bit. I'm crazy, I know that. Thanks for the compliment. But I already know I'm crazy. But there were 3 chests. It's still worth it. I should keep that medkit. Honestly now. Oh, 2 crowns. What? He shot me. No, I'm not taking it anymore. I just want to respawn and take my loot back. I just want my pump back. I just want my loot back. And I want the Stark Industries. I'm with a noob in the match. I'm here with a noob. Bro, let me watch him. I want the Stark rifle. I just want the Stark rifle. Okay, thank you very much. Bro, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. I just want this rifle. It worth all the life I lost. I just want this rifle, okay? Cause it's the best, I'm not gonna lie. But Stark Industries is still the best rifle. Come in the sunlight, okay. If you don't come, I'm gonna come. P90. Ah, this is good too. Look at my inventory, bro. Look at my inventory. What do you want more? I'm the happiest guy. Ever. Ever. In the world. And I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this guy. This happened, isn't it? This really happened. rifle back, and if I think good, I want this weapon back. Sorry bro, but the sniper is the best. What should I do when I'm under fire? Honestly. Bro, my aim is trash, bro. My aim is trash. Don't tell me, I already know that. My aim is very trash. If I die now, it's only my fault. Oh, get my minis back. Okay. Honestly, I want these things. The reboot is ending, okay. I want to make sure all my weapons are reloaded. Because we are on reload, what we are talking about. Okay, 4% left. Us and only another team. It's a 2v2 simple match. I can win this. I can ult sniper. I'm ult sniper. And I have a sniper on my inventory. I can win this. I'm stronger enough to win this. Speaking about them. Oh fuck. What is he doing? Where did you go, dear friend? Dear friend, I'm waiting for you. Okay, Victory Royale, that's what I'm talking. Okay, this is literally the best match of the day. I have to write about it in the battle journal. Give me a pen. I want to write in my battle journal that today I made a victory royal. Yes. Oh my god. That was a